Help Scout and Zendesk are two of the most popular help desk software options available, but which one is truly the best? In today's video, we're diving deep into a side-by-side comparison to help you figure out which of these two options can actually deliver the customer support solution you need. And stick around until the end, because I'll share an alternative that outperforms both of them for many users. First, let's talk about ease of use. When it comes to Help Scout, the interface is clean, minimal, and intuitive, making it easy for anyone, regardless of technical background, to jump right in and start providing customer support. Zendesk, on the other hand, offers more advanced features, but with a steeper learning curve. You'll need to invest some time into understanding its dashboards, triggers, and workflows. While Zendesk is powerful, if simplicity is a top priority, Help Scout is likely your winner. Next thing, features and customization. Zendesk shines with its robust suite of features, including ticketing, knowledge-based integration, live chat, and even phone support. It also provides extensive customization options to tailor the system to your business needs. However, these features can feel overwhelming, especially for smaller teams. Help Scout, in contrast, focuses on keeping things simple and user-friendly, with email-based ticketing and a knowledge base that's easy to set up and manage. While Zendesk offers more features, Help Scout keeps things sleek and manageable. The third thing we'll look at is pricing. Zendesk offers a range of pricing tiers, but once you start adding on advanced features, things can get expensive. For small to mid-sized businesses, this might be a bit too much. Help Scout, on the other hand, is more affordable and scales better for smaller teams. The pricing is transparent, and the features included in each plan make it a strong contender for companies with simpler needs. But if you're after more powerful reporting or integrations, Zendesk may offer better long-term value for larger organizations. Now, let's talk about customer support and reviews. Help Scout is known for its excellent customer support, offering fast response times and clear guidance. Zendesk, while reliable, can sometimes feel a bit like navigating through a maze of tutorials and documentation. Both have strong reputations, but if you're looking for hands-on, proactive support, Help Scout's reputation might give it the edge here. The fifth thing we need to address is integrations and automation. Zendesk is the clear winner in this area. It integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, including Salesforce, Slack, and Shopify. Plus, its automation features allow you to set up advanced workflows that can significantly streamline your customer service processes. Help Scout offers fewer integrations, but it supports the basics like Slack, Zapier, and MailChimp. If you want to automate a lot of your support system, Zendesk is more robust in that regard. Finally, the best option for your needs. Help Scout is fantastic for teams looking for simplicity, affordability, and ease of use. Zendesk, on the other hand, is better suited for larger businesses or teams that need powerful features, extensive customization, and integrations. But here's the thing, after trying both of these options myself, I found a better alternative that delivers all the simplicity of Help Scout while offering many of the advanced features Zendesk provides, without the complexity. So, if you want a more intuitive, feature-rich, and affordable solution for your team, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description below. You'll get access to a free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers, making it an offer you won't want to miss. Both Help Scout and Zendesk are solid choices, but for a better overall experience, take advantage of the offer through the link and see the difference for yourself.